Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we will explore SoFi in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that might affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has classified SoFi as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 8.34. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have reaped an impressive gain of 113.41% since we initially recommended SoFi as a buy candidate 53 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.14% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a significant and robust short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the recently breached level of $15.18. Which could represent a second opportunity for a strong upward movement. According to fan theory, $18.22 is identified as the next potential peak, serving as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 100% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 55.26% to 94.27%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 19.10% over the coming year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline: SoFi stock price ended at $15.60 on Friday, after gaining 3.93%. The SoFi stock price gained 3.93% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, rising from $15.01 to $15.60. It has now gained for 6 consecutive days. It is not common for stocks to achieve such a streak, and a decline for a day or two should be anticipated. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.44%, with a low of $15.08 and a high of $15.75. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 19.95% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 10 million shares, with a total of 49 million shares traded for approximately $764,570,000. It is important to consider that declining volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may signal potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $15.75, while the lowest price was $6.01. Currently, the price is 0.95% or 15 cents below the 52-week high and 44.8% or $12.66 below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies has shown significant momentum, recently doubling from its 52-week low, reflecting growing confidence among investors. This uptick is notably reinforced by a 57% surge over the past month, outperforming both the S&P 500 and its financial sector peers. The company's strategic expansion into diversified revenue streams, particularly in fee-based services, is poised to be a key growth driver. Analysts expect SoFi's earnings per share to grow substantially over the next few years, with predictions indicating potential for continued upward trajectory in profitability. Recent reports highlight SoFi's resilience amid challenging market conditions, underscoring its robust loan origination and impressive member growth. The upcoming bank charter could allow SoFi to leverage a greater deposit base for lending, setting the stage for enhanced net interest income and profitability. As SoFi continues to innovate its product lineup and integrate cross-selling strategies, its capacity for customer retention and increased lifetime value becomes stronger. While some projections indicate a short-term price target around $9, suggesting a pullback, the long-term outlook for SoFi appears bullish, with estimates reflecting steady revenue growth and a forecasted stock price of approximately $17.56 by 2030. This potential growth suggests that investors focusing on long-term value may find SoFi an appealing option despite short-term fluctuations. The current momentum, combined with strategic expansion, supports a significant positive outlook for SoFi's future stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SoFi a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, Barclays also rated SoFi as equal weight with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, Jefferies rated SoFi as buy with a hold action. On that same Tuesday, Goldman Sachs provided SoFi with a neutral rating and a hold action. Earlier on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, Citigroup rated SoFi as buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as sell. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. SoFi stock is receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. Additionally, a general buy signal is present as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support levels are established at $14.38 and $11.51. A drop below any of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, November 14th, 2024, and so far, the stock has increased by 16.42%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MAC. However, trading volume decreased during the last day, despite the rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 30 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 54 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 40 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 57 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 62 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $14.11 and $13.01. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, SoFi finds support just below today's level at $14.11. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $13.01 and $11.81. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be at very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 670 cents between its high and low points, representing a change of 4.44%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 4.90%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 3rd of February 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 4 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and rely on volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, SoFi faces its first support level at $14.11. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 14th of November, 2024, Pinto Arun executed an insider sale of 45,388 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Pinto Arun also conducted an insider purchase of 45,388 shares of common stock. On the 15th of November, 2024, Pinto Arun sold 23,404 shares of common stock. On the 21st of October, 2024, Kelly Keogh executed an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 26th of September, 2024, Eric Schopenhauer conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 52.667. Overall, insiders purchased 8,145,422 shares and sold 27,687,641 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.17, reflecting a decrease of 2.74%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which inherently increases the level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 88, further heightening this risk. Notably, there is a buy signal emerging from a pivot bottom identified 6 days ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? SoFi displays several positive indicators and has successfully broken through a significant upward trend. Given its solid technical condition, we believe it is a favorable option at the current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. However, after examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis reveals that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 25th of November, we expect SoFi to open lower, with a decline of approximately 12 cents, starting trading at $15.48. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.